Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesy enchilada hamburger helper. First, brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it's fully cooked through. Once the beef is browned, make sure to drain any excess fat from the pan. This step is crucial for a less greasy and more flavorful dish. Next, add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk to the skillet with the beef. Now it's time to introduce the star of the show. Carefully stir in the entire packet of cheesy enchilada hamburger helper mix with the beef and liquids. Make sure everything is well combined. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the skillet, and let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Almost there. Once the simmering time is up, remove the skillet from the heat. Now for the cheesy goodness. Stir in 1/2 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like cheddar or a Mexican blend, until it's completely melted and incorporated. Let the dish stand uncovered for about 5 minutes. This allows the sauce to thicken to the perfect consistency. Serve hot and garnish with your favorite toppings, such as a dollop of sour cream or fresh cilantro. Here are a few extra tips to elevate your cheesy enchilada hamburger helper. For an extra kick of flavor, consider stirring in 1/4 cup of diced green chilies along with the mix. If you're looking for a lighter option, ground turkey works wonderfully as a substitute for ground beef. It's a simple swap that doesn't compromise on taste. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This robot vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.